Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make mirror a text box in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make mirror a text box. Firstly we insert a text box. We go to the insert menu. Then click text box option and choose a text box. Now we can see here we insert a text box. Now we click the text box and go to the format menu. Then click shape effect and choose reflection. Then select a reflection. Now we can see here we make mirror this text box very easily. You can change the shape fill color. Click the text box and select shape fill and change the color. And use another effect like preset, shadow, glow, softies, etc. And use another style like click the shape style drop down menu and apply another style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.